Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So, kids, today we are going to learn how to make letter O in our English notebook. So, ma'am have planned many activities for you to understand how to make letter O and how to understand letter O. Okay, kids? So, come and join your ma'am. So now kids, I am taking letter O in our English notebook. Okay. So very first you have to write here today's date like this. Okay. Now say kids, what is this? Can you guess it? What is this? Yes, very good kids. This is O for owl. O for owl. Okay. And which letter is this, kids? This is letter O. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Okay. Now see kids, what is the formation of letter O? You have to start from this point, then make left curve, then stop here, then go up and make right curve, then stop here. So like this, by this formation you have to complete your letter O. Okay. O for owl. O for owl. Now see downside. Here we have one O for owl. Now we are going to start from here. Okay. So we have one single dot. So look here how to make letter O. Start from here, then make left curve and touch this blue line, then go up, make right curve and stop here. Okay, like this. Again, from this dot you have to make left curve, then make right curve and stop here. Okay, again, from this dot, first you have to make left curve, touch this line, go up, make right curve and stop here. Okay, so kids, like this you have to complete this full page. This is your CW work. Okay, now come to this side. This is your activity page and this is your homework page. Now see kids, what is your first activity? Circle the letter O. Circle the letter O. So we have some different letters. But what you have to do, you have to find out letter O and you have to circle only the letter O. Okay. So let's find out where is letter O. This is letter O. No. This is letter O. No. 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 This is letter O. No. This is letter O. Yes, this is letter O. So what you have to do? You have to circle it. Now see next. This is letter O. No. This is letter O. Yes, this is also letter O. So you have to circle this. Now see kids. Which letter is this? Yes, this is letter O. So you have to circle it. Now see this side, which letter is this? This is letter O. No, this is letter K. So we are going to next alphabet. This is letter O. Yes, this is also letter O. So you have to circle it. Okay. Now see, this is letter O. No, this is letter F. So you have to leave it. Okay. Now see our next activity. Circle the picture which start from letter O. Okay. Now in this activity, what you have to do kids? In this activity we have some pictures. Okay. So you have to circle the picture which is starting from letter O. Okay. So let's start. What is the first picture? This is octopus. What is this kids? This is octopus. O for octopus. O for octopus. So octopus is start from letter O. Okay, so you have to circle it like this. Okay, now come to next picture. What is this? Mango. Okay, what is this? This is mango, and mango is starting from letter M, not from letter O, so you have to leave it. Okay, now come to our next picture. What is this? This is ball. This is ball. Okay, and ball is starting from letter B, so you have to leave this also. Now come to our next picture. This is orange. O for orange. Okay, so orange is also starting from letter O. Okay, so you have to circle this also. Okay, so like this kids, you have to complete your CW page and HW page. Okay, and send me the pics. Okay kids, bye bye.